Just 5 days ago, one guy texted me in Telegram and told me that he have only $500 and he needs to get to $2,000 just to pay his debts in the next 7 days. I just show him the strategy, and then after 5 days he managed to get almost $10,000 on his balance. And I have a little bit thoughts, and I understood that I really want to show you this strategy as well, cause a lot of you have the same problem and I'm gonna get you this fixed. You're on E-Trade channel and today you change your life on the 90 degrees. And before we're gonna start, all I want to tell is that if you have any problem with the trading, or you don't know any strategies, or you're kind of lost, in the description you can find my Telegram channel where you can actually follow and find the other strategies that will help you, and there's gonna be my contact if you want to text me and I help you as well. So a lot of newbies, when they start trading, they actually have a common mistake. They try to make more and more, and in that end they lose everything that they have. So as an example, let's start from the situation where you get actually your first money. You find quite a good strategy on the internet and you start earning like a first 3 trades. It's actually going well and you earn some money, and instead of $100 when you started, you already have kind of $300 or even less or even more. It doesn't mean. So you start understanding that maybe this strategy is really good, and you start forgetting that you need to see all the situation, all the patterns and all the settings that you need to enter this situation, and you start entering just from one indicator. Let's say an example is an RSI that you see on my screen. You see that the line is now going below and you just go in for the sell option, and you forget to see the second indicator that actually showing you that you don't need to go in a sell option up here, and this is the false signal for you, and you trap in this, you go in, you lose money of course, and you start thinking, alright, maybe this is just one mistake, and you go again and again you lose. So and then you become like really upset, and some smart people, they just withdraw the money and going away with the as an example $100 profit, and they really happy about this. But majority of people just start placing trades randomly, ending up losing everything, and this is actually happened just because you forget to see all the patterns and all the situation that you have in the trading pair. And the second of all, if you lose like a $15, you think that alright, yeah, that's it, I have nothing more, it's all scam and I'm gonna lose all my money that I have now. So it's pretty actually common mistake. And before I'm gonna show you this strategy, you need to understand that this is the common mistakes and you need to fix them. And actually this is the strategy where you need to see every aspect of the pattern that the strategy actually showing you. As an example, you see the graphics where you can see the RSI indicator and the vortex indicator. Settings you can see in my Telegram channel where you can find in the description. You can see the RSI line up here is going up and down. Of course, when it's going below the bottom line to the back to the mountain, you need to see when this line is crossed this line, like a purple one, and this the first signal. And the second indicator that you need to see is actually vortex. You can see here not just one line like in our side thing, but the 2 lines, and sometimes this line is crossed too. As an example, you can see the perfect example of the situation that you can see. You see the red line is crossed upper than the green line, so it's actually indicate that the first price is gonna drop, and the second indicator is showing us that it's gonna just soon the line too. So in the graphic you can see that the line is basically drop, and how we're gonna enter is for 1 minute you're gonna take a profit from here, as an example, on this or on this candle. So it's like 100% profit. Don't worry, in the practice this is gonna be more understanding, and lucky for you, in the pocket option you can see the demo balance that actually can help you with your strategy. It's actually a real life graphic where you can trade and try yourself this kind of field. And in demo balance, pocket option is not trying to give you the profit every time, so if you lose, you lose. Try this on a pocket option, and the link to the pocket option you can find in the description of this video. So alright, I guess enough talking, and let's see in the practice how this actually is gonna look like. So I found a really good situation for y'all just to can understand how this actually is gonna work. So I'm going for the sell option up here, and as you can see, we see that the line that we are looking for is a vortex line is actually crossed now, and red line is upper than the green line, and also you can see that RSI line is now like on the same level as the middle line. And like I said, we got our first profit in here, of almost $1,000, and well, it was a little bit complex situation that you can see, but it's still working. And you need to get that when you see that the line is on the same level as the middle line, it's well, basically it's just going down for the majority of time. And also the crossing line you see up here, so well, it's working just fine. Now another situation, you can see that it's actually a pretty good situation. I'm going for the buy option up here, and our line is now gonna cross sooner or later from the vortex indicator, and also you can see from the RSI indicator that our line on the same level as middle line. So from now on, all we need to do is just wait for the results up here and see how this strategy is actually gonna work for us. And we got our next profit of $1,000, and yes, I guess that's it. We can just stop up here, and you can see that the strategy is actually pretty good for using up here. And from the history we can see that we closed 2 trades, and 2 trades closed us for the profit. So thank you for watching this video. All links you can find in the description, and also don't forget about my Telegram channel. So thank you for watching, and bye.